Consider yourself defeated. Hey guys, welcome to the show. In this episode we're going to be removing some disgusting hedge stumps. We've got two example ones over here and I just want to show you what they constructed of. So this is the top of it, and if you can see, it usually grows with one heavy thick root growing one direction. Sometimes you get a bi-split, which is one growing on this direction, one growing the other direction, but usually they're split by two. So we're going to use that knowledge to show you how to dig out this last stump that I've left. Previously, this whole situation had about 10 hedges
15
growing, 15 hedges growing along this. I've manually dug them out and I'll show you exactly how to do it as quickly and easy as possible, just using a spade on its own. So yeah, all you need really is a spade. I guess you can hand dig it if you really wanted to. I got a spade here, but I also have some boots, because these boots, they're going to really absorb the impact of slamming down on the spade, because you want to get it down to that level. I also have some soles inside them to help with the shock absorption, to keep it nice and easy to dig in. And also, as you can see, I'm wearing some knee protection just to really soften the blow, because I did also try doing it with flip-flops and trainers and it did actually hurt my knees a bit. But after a while you do build some muscles. So check with your doctor and all that stuff if you can do it. But this is the last one over here. I'm just gonna take a stab like that, just one big stab, like with your hand, just stab in like that. And then the next thing to do is you want to be kicking it down, but with the heel. That's the most powerful impact in my opinion. So I'm kicking it down. And of course, if you're a bloke, wear some underwear that is constraining, you know, the moving parts. Just an advice. So just kick it a few times with the heel, and then it's all about leverage. So I do have a spade, but this spade is steel. It's got a bit of steel around this part, so it doesn't break apart. So now that we have that bit of flexion with a spade, you just leverage it over. So I didn't know that it would come up so easily, because I could have been actually digging into a root. If you're trying to dig into one of the estuaries, for example, if I was digging into this part, it would really be hard to dig into it. So I got lucky there. But now that I've done this side, if you want to kind of go around just a little bit, again, just leverage it out of that. And you can see it's slowly coming up from the ground, you can see it. And then we're going to run into some difficulty, because like I showed you, we're going to encounter one of these long pieces. But nevertheless, just jump in there. And this terrain is a bit tricky as well, because there's lots of rocks in there, so just be careful when you're digging. If you get resistance, just find another place. So that's where I use the hand to start off and then dig. So I'm getting a bit of a resistance. So I think there might be, no there isn't, dig in. Oh, you see that beautiful view. So I'm looking around, seeing that there might be an estuary coming through here, but I'm just going to go ahead and just rotate it. Again, I'm going around the angle. I'm getting a lot of resistance here, so that means there must be a root stemming this way. So now I'm going to, the angle of attack, I'm changing it to go alongside that piece of wood. So I'm going this direction. I want to go down. Just find out what's underneath it. Shoveling that away and going alongside it. There you go. Digging all the way around it. Looks like this path is clear. Digging in. It looks like this whole area has now been scooped away, so I'm going to continue working it around this way, because we learned that they kind of run in two directions. So this is the stem running one of the directions. So if we look at the sample I've got here, got one main stem running here, and then a little stem running on the opposite angle. This one's another example. Had a couple of stems this way. We also had a couple of stems there. So we've got the little one. We haven't got the big one yet. So I think the big one's going to be towards the garage and it does get tough. But I've done this part, so now I'm digging in this way. Again, with the heel of the boot. Get really in there, lift it up. Just get that steel piece on the grass, just really work your way around it. Got that pit clear, so I'm gonna come in here. Lift it up, almost done, almost done. Very methodical. It's gonna be tough when we go here, but trying to loosen up as much as possible to make it easy on me. Dig it in, lift it up. And then finally, round this side here, dig it in, lift it up. Get that almost gone. I might just dig in. There you go. Job is almost done. Let's just see. We've got one of that big root in there. I'm just gonna go in there and just wrestle with the baby. There you go. Wrestle it out. And boom. Got rid of the final root. It's gone. We're gonna what we're gonna do now. That was it. Let me know if you found this video useful. Easy as these roots. Again, they have very hard thickness there. Very hard if you try digging them out on one angle. But if you just work your way around it, if you get into this part, just ignore it, skip it over, work your way around, get as much leverage as possible, then you can just literally pull it out of the ground. Hope you found this video useful and enjoyed the show. Consider yourself defeated.